Utility knives are a versatile and essential tool for any household or workplace. There are many products available to choose utility knives, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best utility knives from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WorkPro Premium Utility Knife. The WorkPro Premium Utility Knife is a heavy-duty box cutter that is durable and lightweight, with SK5 razor blades that are up to 64 HRC. It has a retractable blade with 3 adjustable positions and a quick-release button for easy blade replacement. It can slice through cardboard, carpet, drywall, rope, vinyl, leather, and flooring, making it great for general and precision cutting. The matting body and ergonomic design make it hand and environment friendly, and it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee and lifetime support. Number 2. Horasty 4-Pack Box Cutter Utility Knife. The Horasty 4-Pack Box Cutter Utility Knife is a heavy-duty aluminum shell retractable box cutter that comes with an extra 10 blades. The aluminum alloy shell with TPR rubber handle is more durable than ordinary plastic utility knives, and the knife body is more comfortable to hold and use. The knife includes 4 sets of practical knives with different colors, and the blade is retractable and can be used smoothly. The super sharp SK5 heavy blade can cut different materials, making it suitable for hobbies, DIY projects, cardboard, carpet, rope, box, wallpaper, vinyl, rubber, leather, PVC materials, etc. The tail of the knife body is designed by hanging rope, which can hang the knife on the wall or knife rest. It's also easy to carry or store in your toolbox. Number 3. RexBeauty 2-Pack Utility Knife. The RexBeauty 2-Pack Utility Knife is a must-have for anyone who frequently works on heavy-duty projects. With its ultra-sharp and double-hardness blade, it's perfect for cutting through a variety of materials, including cardboard, carpet, rope, and more. The retractable and folding design, along with the ergonomical and rubbery handle, ensures a strong grip and easy handling. Plus, the blade storage design allows for quick and easy access to extra blades, with 3 storage slots conveniently located in the handle. And with an extra 10 blades included, you'll always have a sharp blade on hand. The quick-change blade mechanism also makes it easy to switch out blades when needed. Number 4. Dieself 2-Pack Utility Knife Box Cutter. Dieself 2-Pack Utility Knife is an economical and disposable box cutting blades with a comfortable grip and wider, retractable blade. It is ready to use, cut, and toss, or keep them around as a spare utility knife in your garage, toolkit, home, and office. The heavy-duty blade is ideal for thicker cuts and can be used for commercial or industrial applications. The razor blade allows for deep exact cuts and prevents blades slipping with the lock tab. The package contains 2-piece heavy-duty retractable box cutters with 8 different colors to choose from. Number 5. Amazon Basics Folding Utility Knife. The Amazon Basics Folding Utility Knife is a durable and lightweight option for general purpose and precision cutting. The stainless steel fold-out blade housing and aluminum handle with anti-slip grip provide comfortable and secure use. The lockback design ensures safety by keeping the blade in place when in use. Blade replacement is made easy with a quick-change mechanism, which is compatible with most standard-size blades. This utility knife is perfect for cutting boxes, rope, carpet, plastic, leather, wallpaper, and more.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.